What do you think?
What
do you think is a surprise? Dexter,
I know it's a bird. I know it's a bird.
How do you know?
Because we have been always talking about getting a bird. We've been talking about birds.
Well, you saw the birdie at the other house.
Mom,
hold on a second. I gotta get in the house.
Silver on the top.
Hold on a second. Mom, you know.
Daddy taught me the trick.
I know. You know Mommy can't get in the house.
Silver on the top.
All right, hold on.
Gold on the bottom.
All right, go in the house. Go see. Oh, what do you think? Are you okay? Elva, come back. Elva, come back. What are you crying about? Look at me. You're okay. Did you love it? Are you hysterical? Oh my God. He's so cute. Take him out. You don't have to be afraid of him. He's a baby. Can you believe it? All right, come here. Let me see your face. Do you love it? He's so cute. He's just a baby. Come here. All right, hold it up. Hold this up. Hold this part up. Okay, look. Look. Hold on. Let Ellabelle hold him. Daddy wants to name him Petey. Isn't he cute? Yeah, you could kiss him. Kiss him. Of course you could kiss him.
What are we going to feed him?
You just feed him. He eats seeds.
No.
All right, hold on. Let Ellabelle play with him. She just got home.
Oh, God.
Yeah, he flies a little.
Fly.
No, not right now.
Oh, my God. I pooped from my hand.
Okay. Hold on. What do you think of your new pet? That's Petey. Daddy named him Petey.
No, I don't want that.
No, it's Petey.
It's a girl.
We don't know. If it's a girl, then Truly. If it's a boy, then Petey. He's cute.
Is it ready for me?
And that's Dexter's new dustbuster. Wow. What do you think?
Oh my God.
Do you love him? Merry Christmas. Santa came early.
Good. It feels good.
He's so pretty. He fits in your hand. He's so little.
It's good.
Kiss him. Kiss his head. He can't bite you or anything.
It's okay.
Do you love it?
We're keeping it.
Yeah. Wait till you see the cage that I ordered. This is just a temporary cage. Mommy ordered a huge, beautiful bird cage. It's like forever. He can live for 10 years if we take care of him really good. What?
Fly away.
Yeah, he flies. If you go by the Christmas tree, he'll fly to the Christmas tree.
Here you go. Petey. Here you go, presents.
Hmm.
Get off me. Okay, can you get him off?
Really?
Pinching his freaking claws into my
Oh, he doesn't have
shoulder.
claws. He's so nice.
Mom, look at this.
Oh, listen. Dexter went out. I gotta go get him.
Okay,
Just hold him nice. I'll tell you again. Hold on. What do you say?
What? How old is he? Or a month?
He's only 3 months old. He just left his mommy bird today. I'm his mommy now.
Oh.
And you're his sister bird.
Here, I'll scratch you. There you go. Okay, you want to go back in here? Oh, God.
No. It's just a beak.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Look, he can't. He has no teeth.
Okay. Because I thought that you...
Look, here.
Oh, look what he gave me. Wait, does Nana know?
No. We're going to tell her soon. Look how pretty he is on the tree. Stop.
Oh my
Don't
God,
knock the
it,
tree
like,
over.
blends in.
Yeah, I know. Isn't he nice?
Oh, my God.
Oh, he's so cute.
Petey, you want to come...
He's got to get used to everybody.
Petey, you want to come on Minnie? You want to come on Minnie? Come on Minnie. Hello.
Want to go on Minnie? Maybe he'll go to Minnie.
Go on Minnie's head. Go on Minnie's head. Hi.
You gotta be careful with him. He's a baby bird.
He's a baby boy.
He's a baby bird. Do you love it?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun playing with him. What?
Oh, Minnie's farm. Petey, come here. What's the girl name?
Well, Truly if it's a girl and Petey if it's a boy.
Truly, come here.
No, but Daddy's calling it Petey.
No, Truly.
We gotta figure it out.
No.
He might be Truly Petey.
Yes.
All right, do you love it?
Yes.
All right, we'll wait till Tyler comes home, okay? We'll wait till Tyler comes home, okay? Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.